functions on the line. Okay, sir.
Okay, so have you written about the concat and concatenate function?
Yes, sir. Wait,
Okay.
how about the conduct?
Concat, the one
I
that you
know,
just press.
no, I haven't.
Write it down now. Write it. It links together the contents of multiple cells. It links together the content of
We mix
multiple cells.
together.
Sorry, let me send it as a chat.
Okay.
Let me send it as a chat.
Okay.
I've sent it. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. So the next one we want to learn about is the count function. Um, Let me see which one I'm going to use to demonstrate it. Okay. So M, where is this now? Um, is that M13? M13 is empty, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's do something M13. Click on M13 and type your equals to. Always remember that um, um, anytime you want to do a function, you must start with equals to. So the count function um, counts cells that have numbers in a particular range. So just type count. Let's see the description of that function. Hold on. Okay, what does it say? It counts the number. Be careful when you're typing. What does it say? It counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. Okay. All right. So you know what a range is, isn't it? Do you remember what we said about range? The day we learned about range, that when you want to start from one cell and go all the way to the last one, no, you don't want to leave anyone in. That's and we use a colon for that. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's check. Let's count the number of cells that contain numbers from um, M2 to M12. So open your parentheses and type M2 and then M2 and then put a colon, not semicolon, colon M12.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. It says zero. Why do you think it said zero?
Um,
Remember
uh,
what that counts. It counts how many cells contain numbers. If you look at M2 from M2 to M12, do they are they containing numbers or they're containing text?
Text.
They're containing text, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do the same thing for N2 to N12. You can see what N contains. It contains 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. see if it's going to give us a value this time because those ones are numbers. N2 colon N12. Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Uh-huh. It gave us a value, right? So you can see that count simply does what its job is to count numbers. Okay. So you will see that there are other versions of count, but was just starting with this one. So um let's take note of that.
Okay, sir.
So in your book, you write the count function and then you write what it does. I'm sending it in the chat box. It
And
counts cells with numbers, counts cells that have numbers in a range of cells. Um, easy and to so long and so. Okay, so that I just gave an example. Well, of course, but without the function display. Look at what I sent in the chat box.
yes, yes, I see.
That's okay. So that's what the function does. That's what the count function does.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
um, I think at 5:40, my sister needs to take the laptop.
540.
Or
We'll be
5:45.
done by
Okay, okay, sir.
540 your time is 640 my time. We'll be done by then.
Okay.
Have you written down what the count
Yes,
function does?
I've written it. I've written it.
Okay. All right. Okay. So let's try the next version of the count function. This one counts alphabet numbers that has values, both numbers and letters. So we're going to
Oh,
try that. We're going to try it for that M2 again to M12. Let's see if it's going to be different this time. So
yes, sir.
this count count function is slightly modified. So put your equals to and then type. You will see count. Just type count first so that you can see all the possible count functions. Type your equals to count count. I didn't say count.
What?
I still type
Wait, can you like spell it?
count count. Wow, you can't hear me. The one that you just did now, count.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
Uh-huh. Can you see that next one? The one that says count A. Yes. Count. Uh-huh. Count A. Yes. So open the after count. Type. Choose that one. Uh-huh. Now do the same thing you did, but this time M2 to M12. M2 to M12. M12. Let's see if it will count both the letters and the numbers. Yes. Okay. Now hit. What does it say?
11.
11. Why do you think it says 11? Can you count to
Uh,
actually verify that there are 11 cells there that have letters and numbers?
yes, it is true. It has
Because
11.
now look at them, it has a space. So we did not count that one, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
One, two, three, five, six. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Wait. Okay. Yes. It's because we specified from M2 to M12. If not, we would have counted that 10, that last 10 that is there. So it should have been 12, not 11. Okay, no problem. That's fine. Okay, well done. So can you do another one? Count another one. Count from, okay, so this time, instead of doing a range of cells, let's try the version of the function that allows you to type a comma. Yes. So let's do, now when you are doing that comma, it means that it is not one a stretch of cells. So for instance, we can say K2, K5, K2, comma, K5, comma, K7. Do you understand? Just, no, not a range. What we are doing now is going to give you a range. We don't want a range. K2, comma, just random cells. K2, comma, K5, I think it's not continuous. Uh-huh, comma, um, K10. Is there any K10 there?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Close the parentheses and then hit enter. Okay, so it counted just three. Why? Because we are only interested in those ones, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Do you have any questions?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm sending you the description for the one that you just did now. Count A. I think when you are writing it in your book, please write it as capital letters, even though you type small letters. Is this computer acting up? Why is it doing like this?
I think it's because maybe it's because I pressed something.
Okay, okay, all right. So the count A counts all cells in a range that has values, both numbers and letters. That one is count A. Please don't mix it up. Count A. Have you seen it? I sent it to you now on the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, I think we can do one more. The one that says count blank. And I'm sure you can guess what that one will count. Count the blank cells in a range.
Okay,
Are
I've
you
written
done?
it.
Are you done writing down? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try count blank. So for this count blank, right? Let's, instead of us to do a column, let's do a row. So let's do from um let's do from which, okay, that's six. Let's do from A6 to Q6. A6 to Q6. Q, letter Q. Yes. 6. So you understand? We're counting horizontally now. Okay, so hit enter. Let's see. What does it say?
12.
12. Let's confirm if it's true. You may need to move your mouse to the right, to the left hand side so that you start counting from there. You're counting only blank. Yes. So you can click on the D. I think D is the first one. Okay, you're counting it, no problem. Continue. Continue. Keep counting. Is it actually 12?
Wait. Okay.
You're counting only the blanks, the blank one. Is it up to 12?
Yeah.
Q from A6 to Q6.
Yeah. 12.
It's 12. Okay, good. All right, so that's what we do. So you can see Excel has different formulas and they help you. So please write down the description for this one. I just sent it to the chat box. Count the blank cells in a room. Have you written it down?
Wait. No. Count the blank cells in a ray. Okay, so I've done it. I've written it
Okay,
down.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay, no problem. All right. So we'll pick up from here on Saturday. I go through. On Saturday it's two
Oh,
o'clock, Abby. 2 o'clock.
on Saturday, I'm going. So we have this stuff in church called Boys Club. So I'll be coming to the 4 o'clock.
What time?
But I'm like, I think it starts at 2 to 4:30.
2 to 4:30.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what time can we have our class on Saturday before you go out? Because by the time you come back, you will be tired. Or what kind of program is it? Is it a rigorous program? Is it something that you
It's
know
like
keep
we do
you
like we do like football, basketball, games.
ah, tired by the time you come back? Okay, so can we have class before you go out?
I'll see if we can.
Simeon, you can see anything you want. This year, you should one thing that you tell yourself is this: anything you want to do, you want to achieve. Once you tell yourself you can do it, you can do it. So right now, look at your think about your schedule on Saturday. What you normally do on Saturday. It may need you to wake up earlier, something like that. So can you make up your
Yes,
mind now that you will make it happen?
yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So what time should I expect? Because me myself, I have a class from like I think um maybe I'll be free around 12. So even from in the morning time, I'm already busy,
We can
already
do
up and
12, maybe 12 to 1.
12 to 1. 12 your time.
Um,
Is it 12 your time or 12 my time?
your time.
My time.
Yeah,
So 12 my time is your time.
yeah, 11 my time.
Okay. All right, no problem. I'll send your mom a message.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. So enjoy the rest of your evening and
You too, sir.
the rest of your week.
Have a good day.
All right.
Yeah, bye.